Focus on understanding concepts thoroughly rather than memorizing vast amount of information. Hello everyone, this is Insha from Plutus IS, a career psychologist. Today I am here with a new video of essential tips and tricks for mastering UPSC. Tip number 1. Structured study plan. Being with a well-organized study plan that covers all subjects and topics. Allocate time wisely to maximize productivity. Tip number 2. Current affair. Stay updated with the latest news and current events as they play a crucial role in both prelims and mains exams. Tip number 3. Mock test. Regularly take mock tests and practice previous year question papers to understand the exam pattern and time management. Tip number 4. Quality over quantity. Focus on understanding concepts thoroughly rather than memorizing vast amount of information. Quality trumps quantity. Tip number 5. Effective note taking. Make concise notes summarizing key points. This aids a quick revision before exams. Okay guys, rest tips and tricks we'll discuss in next video. Till then, stay focused on your study. Thank you. Bye-bye.